What's the sweat? Okay, y'all, this is the final look with my Outre big beautiful hair. Is that what it is? Yeah, big beautiful hair, the 4C Coily. I installed the clip-ins. I have minimal leave out in the front. I did like a little flip over method. I will link the girl's channel in the description of where it came from, because it originated from Powell's flip over method. And then I know I used to wear Sade Watkin's wig flip over method. I used to do my wigs like that, and then I saw another girl who did her clip-ins like that. I found a video on here, but this is the 4C Coily big beautiful hair, and I styled and did my makeup and everything, and yeah, this is how it looks. So if you want to see how I installed the hair, keep watching. Hi guys, girls, everyone who tuned in today, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little undone, but that's because we're about to get done up. I am trying out today these, ooh, can you see? Outre big beautiful hair clip-ins. So even though I have some clip-ins on the way from better length, I'm gonna put these in today. My hair is already washed, blow dried, braided down, all that. Did it yesterday. And we are going to attempt to do a flip over clip-in ordeal. They're natural brown. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and they cost me $26.99 for the whole pack. Comes with 9 pieces, and the pieces are labeled by the length of the weft. Now this is supposedly a 100% human hair premium blend, so I guess it can be washed and dyed, but I don't know if I would do that with $30 hair. So I think we should get started. Shall we? Okay, sure. This is my braid pattern. These 2 are leave out, and I have 2 braids of leave out in the back. Let me show you. So I'm gonna pin down this one little tail. Okay, outside of the package, it's got a net, 4 wefts that are 3 inches with 2 clips. We have one 5-inch, one 7-inch, one 8-inch, one 10-inch, and one 12-inch. So the 10-inch weft is gonna go first, and it has 4 clips. installed all except 2 of the 3-inch wefts. We've got the full install, not a full install, we have 2 clips left over. Looks kind of realistic, not gonna lie. Let me pull my leaf out. So you can see, did I clip or did it not clip? Who knows? Who knows what happened just now? But this is super cute. Let me put my leaf out. Okay. This is my leaf out in the front. I'm gonna leave the leaf out in the back. The leaf out in the front is flat twisted down. I'm just gonna pull it back just a little bit. And this is honestly how I'm used to wearing my hair, because I used to wear flip over wigs. Let me just get some edge control and like doll her up a little bit. I don't know, I think it would be in my best interest to cut some layers into the hair because it looks kind of like it's all so uniform, and I like more of a layered look. Or maybe put some clips in it. Yeah, I should definitely cut a little bit into the hair, but I don't want to do that right now. What do we think? Is it giving? What's the sweat? Okay, y'all, this is the final look with my Outre Big Beautiful hair.